Place the first heat blanket beneath the downpipe. Fold the blanket over the downpipe and feed the belt underneath. Thread the belt through the buckles, pull it tight in the opposite direction, and lock it in place. Repeat for the second and third belts. Take the second blanket and lay it along the curved section of the downpipe. Fasten the first two belts as before, then thread and tighten the third and fourth belts through the gaps between the downpipes. Mirror the same process on the other side of the downpipe. Fold the fifth and largest sections of both blankets toward each other so they overlap. Fasten all belts securely, then tighten the final belt at the rear. Use the smallest blanket to wrap the second lambda sensor mount. Thanks for watching.